Good morning po sa lahat, no? Ngayon po ay November 21, 2020. Malapit na po yung Pasko, no? So, malapit na yung Pasko, December na. And yung nasa Pilipinas, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat, no? Thank you for watching, lovely loads. Thank you very much. Now, we will check the PCI. So, this review is not intended for, not recommended for buying, but this is only sharing of my ideas in analyzing the stock market chart, no? So we will see the PCI, if what the price action of PCI yesterday, umangat ba o umababa si PCI. So let's go to the chart. So this is the PCI chart yesterday. Umangat po si PCI ng 2.46%. Nasa 7,169.79 na po yung level ni PCI. Okay. Now, if we check the RSI, the RSI is 76.25. So it is in an overbought level. But if we see the EDX, it's still above 25. MACD is above the signal line. So there's strength, no? Still there is a strength. Because MACD is still not closing down. So there's a possibility that based on this price action yesterday, he will hit this resistance above, this yellow line. And we will see after that what is the next price action of PCI. But for now, it is in overbought condition. So we need to see if the stock is in overbought. So there's a possibility that the price will retrace, no? If we say the price now is still below the inside the Bollinger Band. So the possibility, maybe this area is possible na ma-hit ni PCI. And after that, we will see if there is a retracement because it is in an overbought level. So now let's go to the request. First is tech. This request, we need to see what is the price action of Certic Holding Philippines Corporation. So last time, last November 18, we drew a inclined line, and this is our reference. If the price is going down to this support, it means we need to see if there is another price movement going sideways. If we see here, the price is going outside, the closing price is outside the Bollinger Band. Now, when the price is going inside, the closing price is inside the Bollinger Band, the price is retracing, no? We see here. So if the price is retracing, we need to see where is the support area. Tingnan natin kung nasaan yung support. And this is the important in trading the stock market. We need to check where is the support if there is a retracement of the price. Because this area, the area where the seller is waiting. Thank you for watching Nelva Rupino, Lon Salabi. So umaga pa po dito sa Saudi Arabia. Umaga pa. Mel Fernando, thank you for watching. So now we need to see this request tick. Still holding the incline support. If this incline support I'm a breakdown, so there's a possibility that the price of tech will going to this sideway, or if mag-hold siya dito sa my support, this yellow line, so there's a possibility na mag-sideways si tech. But now, since is inside this incline support, we will check by Monday if ma-break na itong horizontal resistance above. So we will see the EDX. EDX is above 25. There's a strength. If we see the MACD is still above the signal line. Okay, but the RSI is now in the 70. It is in lightly overbought. So if we will check the previous price action, this area price of tech now, it is a strong resistant area. This area, this is a strong resistant area. So we're just hoping that tech will break this resistant area. So if tech will break it, there's a possibility that they will hit this AME 200. But if ever tech did not break it and break this incline support, so we'll expect that there is another price movement, either going sideways or going retracement down. But we'll, based on the indicator, still have a strength, and the momentum is there, is still there. So we're hoping that tech will break this resistance on Monday. So we'll see the next price action of tech. Thank you for watching Top Video Studio. Thank you very much. Barbie Vlogs, thank you. And Lon Salabi, thank you. And Mel Fernando, thank you very much. So this is my thought for tech. We just wait until this incline support I'm a breakdown. If it is breakdown, so if you have a position, you need to take some of your profit if you buy it in the bottom level. But now we need to watch this resistance if ma-break ni tech. The next one is IRC. So IRC, if you buy this, yung nakabili nito nung nakaraang mga months, si IRC po ay nasa 1.2 pesos per share na. So take note that if you buy it last July, it is only 0.9 centavos per share. So if you buy 100,000 shares, now it is already 1.62, no? So I'm sure you have a profit if you buy it last July in this area. So now if we see the price action of IRC, the MACD is crossing down. So this indicator is crossing down. So it means there's a possibility that the price will going to retrace, no? There's a possibility na mag-retrace, but the RSI is still 67, still not yet overbought. And the EDX is about 25, so there's a strength, no? But the problem now, the MACD is going down, so the strength going down is very strong, no? Because the EDX is above 25. So on Monday, we will just see if the resistance, this line, ay ma-break ni I-stand. If ever ma-break yan, so it is good for IRC. Because if you see the previous price action, this area is a very strong resistant area. So we need to watch, no? If ma-break na yung incline support and horizontal support, then there's a possibility that the price will go on this area, this line. But if not, and break this incline in this horizontal support, so we will expect that there is a replacement of IRC. Okay, nasa resistant area po siya sa may incline line. So resistant area po yan. And we will just hope that this horizontal line ay hindi ma-break down ni IRC. Because pag mag-breakdown yan, so there's a possibility that the price will go back to this level around 1.5 or yes, 1.49, 1.5, this area. So we need to see the next price action of IRC. Take note that MACD is crossing down to the signal line. So if you need to buy the shares now, just wait if there is a breakout of the resistance. But don't enter if you don't have a position now because nasa resistant area po si IRC. So the price, if the price in the resistant area, there are a lot of sellers waiting on this area. If in case there's a loss of momentum in the price, then they will sell their shares, no? So we need to wait for another price action of IRC. Okay, but if IRC will break the resistance, it is good. So thank you very much, no, for your support. Now let's go to the next stock. Now, si Now Corporation, same story that the last month, umangat po si Now. Okay? Si Now Corporation, ito po yung price action ni Now. Now, if we see it now, the price action ay nasa resistant area po si Now. So, if ever Now ay ma-break na itong horizontal resistance, there's a possibility that now will go to this area, this resistance above. Okay, but take note that there is a strong bullish candle for now yesterday. So if it is bullish candle, it is dominated by the buyer. So if ever ma-break ni now itong horizontal resistance, possibility he will go to this next resistance above. This is your target price. But if ever mag-down si now on this in this hindi niya ma-break itong horizontal resistance, then there's a possibility that the momentum is losing. So we need to aware to this inclined resistance, baka ma-break. Pag hindi niya ma-break itong resistance on Monday. If we will see the ADX now is below 25, so weak. So the MACD is below the signal line, but still above the zero line. So there's if above the zero line, still okay. It's in the bullish area. So, but we need to wait if there is a crossover of the signal line uh, of the MACD, no? Because still it did not cross. So this is my thought for now, for me. If ever now we'll break this resistance on Monday, possible direction, uh, the next resistance above. If ever there's a retracement on Monday, you need to be aware that this inclined line, there's a possibility that it will be breakdown. So tingnan natin on Monday. So I hope aangat si now. So next one is Mega Word. Mega Word ay continue din yung angat ni Mega Word, no? Ngayon yung RSI is 76.554. So if it is above 70, it is slightly overbought. So now the current price of Mega Word is still inside the Bollinger Band. So we're hoping that Mega Word will hit this resistance, this yellow line above, because the ADX is above 3025 and MACD is still strong, no? MACD is still strong, but the RSI is in overbought. So if you don't have any position for Mega Word, just wait if there is a retracement of the price, because it is in an overbought level. If you have a position, then just wait if there is a weakening of the uh, price, no? If there is, kung yung MACD ay mag-taper down, so it means there is a weak, no? It is a sign of weakness if MACD is taper down. But now MACD is still strong. So we will see if where is the resistance, previous. So this area, this is the resistance area now. Area. But if we see the weekly chart of Mega Word, malapit si here, malapit po siya sa May 200. So we need to watch the weekly chart. So malapit na po siya sa May 200. So we need to careful of buying these shares now because it is in overbought level and it is near the resistant area. Okay. So possible direction of Mega they can hit this resistance above around 4. And we need to see after that because still there is no price pattern now. So wala pa tayong makita na pattern ngayon kasi diretso-diretso yung angat ni Mega. But take note, it is in overbought level. Okay, so if overbought, there is a possibility of retracement. But still, MACD is okay, and EDX is about 25. So we will see the next price action of Mega. Because it's still MACD is strong, and we'll see, no? Because I cannot see the price action now. If there's a retracement here, this is the time we need to watch the price pattern. But still, we don't see the price pattern, but we see it is in overbought condition. So we need to, if you have a position and if you see weakening of the strength, so you need to take some of your profit. But if you don't have any position, don't enter until there is a retracement in the support area. EGI. If you see EGI, price action, it is above the Bollinger Band. But if you see here, tingnan natin yung price action ni EGI, there is a rejection in this area. So we need to be aware that there is a rejection. There is a possibility that the price will going to retrace, no? But still is above in the Bollinger Band closing price. If by Monday, if the price is going close below inside the Bollinger Band, so we'll expect that there is a correction of the price. And we say MACD is still strong, and the EDX is still strong, but the RSI is 79.5. So it is now almost very overbought if it is reaching 80% level. So we just watch on Monday if the closing price is going inside the Bollinger Band. So we'll expect there is a retracement, and we will wait in the support area or in the AME 20. Thank you very much for watching. My sister-in-law, Mercy Akas, thank you. To my nephew, Cheryl, 8 mixed videos, thank you. And to Lon Salabi. To my nephew, Kyle Akas. And to my nephew also, Marvelous Kapi, thank you. Now we will go to next stock is BDO. The BDO is trying to break the incline support. Last few 4 days ago, no? So this is that chart of BDO. This is the price action. Now, last week we put a incline support in this area. So, video is still bouncing on this support, this incline. So, this is my uh, support area. If ever the video will break this incline support, so I will take actions. We will go exit or I will stay. But video is bouncing in this incline support and is going up now up to 104.7. And he is in the resistance area. And we see the EDX is below 25. MACD is strong, but RSI is in overbought condition. So we'll see if this is resistant. I'm a break me video, and then if there is a retracement, we need to wait the next price action of video. If there is a bullish pattern, so this is the time we need to see. And what's if there is a bullish pattern? But for now, wag po niyong habulin itong price ni video kasi mataas na galing dito sa my incline support area. So wait for retracement because it is in overbought also. So take note that if it's an overbought, this candidate for retracement. So if you have position or video, just hold it until you find you saw that there is a weakness of the price. So this is the time you need to uh, take some of your profit. But still, video is strong. The candle is bullish candle yesterday, and there's a pattern buying of 146.25. So let us see Monday if video break this resistance. So next target of this next resistance line above. Okay, so congrats for yung nakabili dito sa may baba, sa may incline support. Okay, take note if you don't have any position for video, wait for retracement. Maybe we will retrace on this incline support. This is resistant, but now become support. Next one is KPPI. Metro Pacific. Thank you, Cheryl Mix and Videos and Lovely Loans. Thank you. To Jimmy Belando, thank you. Karen P. Akas, thank you very much. And Chris Isabel Akas, thank you. Now, we'll see MPI price action. If we see the previous price action of MPI, this area is now napaka-strong resistant area po ito. And now, last November 10, MPI break this incline resistance. So now we need to see, kailangan hindi mag-break down ni MPI itong incline support. If ever ma-break po ito, so there's a possibility that MPI will go retracement down. So we need MPI to return on this area, kailangan babalik si MPI dito. And this incline support ay mag-hold. So it is good for MPI. But if I break this incline support, so we'll expect MPI will go on this area. And this is now become momentum. The momentum is become loss. Kung ma-breakdown ni MPI itong incline support. So we need MPI to stay above on this area, above on this line. So we're hoping that MPI will come back on Monday on this area. But if not, we'll expect a retracement of the price of MPI. And now we see the MACD is closing down. So the momentum now is weak. And EDX is about 25. So we hope that the MPI will going back and hindi ma-break down itong incline support. But momentum now, it's already losing. Awakening, it's already weakened. CHB, si CHB, ganun din ang nakarang mga buwan. If you see the price of CHB, from 0.97 pesos per share, and then he climbed up to this level now, 1.78. Imagine if you buy in, if you have 100,000, you buy it in 1 peso, you have also 100,000 shares. And now it's going up to 79. So of course you have a 79,000 profit. If you got a correct entry in this area in 1 peso level. So if we see the price here, it is mostly it's outside the Bollinger Band. But if the price is going inside the Bollinger Band, so there's a possibility that the price will going to retrace. And we will see in the support area. Still, the incline support ay nag-hold naman. And then yesterday is climbing above this horizontal support. So we're hoping that CHP will hold in this area. But if CHP will going down in this incline support here, and then going back to that horizontal resistance, and if we did not break it, so of course, this is a sign of loss of momentum. So we need to be aware, because if there's a loss in momentum, there's a possibility that this incline support ay mag-breakdown. So we're hoping that CHP will stay above on this horizontal support. If we see the EDX, is still strong. It's 49.25. MACD is above the signal line. It's still strong and still not in an overbought condition. So if there's a bounce on this support, possible direction with the next resistance above. So we'll see, no? Na hindi siya babalik dito sa loob ng triangle pattern. Thank you for watching Madelhin. Thank you very much. To Nel Paropino, thank you very much also. To my friend, Juan Finance, thank you. And to Minard Castro also, John Mar, Ching, and Engineer Ryan Asaka, thank you very much. Now let's go to the next request, Jollibee. Jollibee is a blue chip company. So when PCI going up, Jollibee also going up. So magsabay-sabay po yung mga blue chip company. Kung tataas si PCI, tataas din yung mga blue chip companies. But for now, If we see the MACD is closing down to the signal line. So expect there's a correction of GFC. And it is still, it is not in an overbought condition, but the momentum now is weakening. Kasi nag-cross po yung MACD sa signal line. And take note, our ADX is above 25. So there is a strength. So we need to wait if there is a retracement in the support area. Or if we'll draw an inclined line, we're hoping that this inclined line ay ma-hold ni Jollibee. So kung tingnan natin dito sa price action, there is a resistant area on this level. So nag-create po siya ng minor resistance, no? So we'll see if GFC ay hindi ma-break itong incline support and break this horizontal resistance above. Possibility, the price will hit to the next, the previous high, which is 201 pesos per share. But if ever this resistance ay hindi ma-break and incline support ay ma-break down, so we'll expect Jollibee will go to this support level below. But take note now, MACD is going down. So momentum is now weakening. So we're hoping that GFC will not break this incline support. If ever, wait in MA20 or this horizontal support below. If ma-break naman ni GFC, possible direction, it will hit the next, the previous high of around 202, 201, this area. Okay, so if you have a position, just watch if the incline support ay hindi ma-break down. Next one is ATN. Tingnan natin si ATN. Umangat din si ATN. But MACD is now going down also. So we need MACD to cross again the signal line. Now, the price action, ATN is above the horizontal line support. So there's a possibility that he will hit this previous resistance. Okay, and then this is the time we need to watch again the next price action of ETN. So we'll draw an incline support. So we'll watch on this area. If ETN will stay on this area, this is good for ETN. So, but possibility he will reach this this horizontal line above this resistance, and if there is a retracement, we need to watch on this incline support or in the EMA20. But for now, MACD is weakening because it is crossing down the signal line. Thank you for watching Melissa Recipes. Thank you very much. Chris Aventure, thank you. Anel Baropino, Madelhen, thank you. So next is Annie. So if you see the price action of Annie, Annie is now 8.2 pesos per share. So kung tingnan natin yung price action ni Annie, still holding the incline support, but this is the gold area for Annie, above on this line. So kung ma-break ni Annie yung EMA 200 and they will stay on this area, this is good for Annie. But for now, Still, is holding the incline. MACD is still not yet crossing down, but the ADX is below 25. So, mahina po yung strength. So, there's a possibility that ANI will hit on this resistant line, this horizontal line. So, kung ma-break na, it's good. But if you have a position, take note that this incline support ay hindi ma-break down. Kasi it will go another price movement, maybe he will go sideways or he will going back down. So, just watch ANI. If ma-break na itong incline, horizontal support, horizontal resistance above, and still holding this incline support. So we'll see any price action in this area. Still, MACD is still not closing down, and the RSI is above 58. So it's still a bullish sentiment. So we'll see. Huh? Just watch the incline support and the break down. Next one is FLI. So FLI ay nakabili po tayo nito noong nakaraan from 1 peso na I sell it on this area because the price is going inside the Bollinger Band. Now is still going sideways, no? Nasa sideways pa yung price ni FLI. But MACD is still above, but it's taper down. So if taper down, this is sign of weakening. So we'll see if hindi mag-cross down yan. But for me, I need FLI to stay on this area. So if FLI ay mag-stay above this area, this is good for FLI. But for now, kung nandito na yung price sa this area, it's good. But for now, still he is in the resistant area. So there's a possibility that he will go to this incline support again. So for me, I will watch FLI on this area, the one with the arrow area. Thank you, Isa Galbi, for watching. Thank you very much. To my wife, Nina Akas, thank you very much. To Engineer Edwin Bilan, thank you for your support. And to Jonathan Oho, thank you very much. Engineer Ryan Lasaka, thank you. And Engineer Virgilio Magna, thank you very much for your support. Now let's go to the next company, KPPI. So KPPI, as we know, this company is just a new company in the IPO, newly last on August, no? When the price hitting 27.35, the price now is going down, and this is the issue if you buy the stock in the IPO, because we don't know if the price is going up or going down. So the one who buy 27.35, still I think still they are there, no? They're waiting for the price to going back again to this level, but we don't know when. So that's why in the stock market we need to see the price movement first, and then we need to decide. Okay, Because if you buy in the IPO time and then it's going down, uh, kasi umangat po ito, nagsisiling po yung presyo dito. And then suddenly, when the price is going up to 27 to 35, the price is going down. So I'm also thankful to this company because I earned some of profit during the IPO. Around 27, 26, I was here in that area. So when I see there's a loss of momentum, price going down, I sell immediately my shares. Now it's going down, it's trying to recover, but still holding this incline support. And we hope that this support ay hindi ma-break ni KPPI. So kung hindi niya ma-break yan, possible will reach this EMA 200. But kung ma-break yan, so there's another price movement we need to analyze. But for now, we're still staying above this horizontal line. This is the support area. So we'll see the next price action of KPPI. MACD is still not crossing below the signal line. Still not in overbought condition. MAC ADX is about 25, so there's a strength, no? So we'll need to wait if there is a loss of momentum. If there's a loss of momentum, then this is the time we need to react based on the price action. If it's going down, then you need to, if you have position, you need to take your profit. But if you don't have any position, don't buy the shares if there's a loss of momentum. So we need to wait if this going to the support area. If there's a bounce, then this is the time we need to enter if there is a bullish pattern of the price, of the direction of the price. So for KPPI, we'll wait and see if this support will hold. If it is hold, kung ma-hold niya, it's good. So the next target on this next resistance above. But if it is breakdown, we'll wait on this incline support. Next one is Emperador, no? Thank you for your support. Huh? So now we'll see Emperador. Emperador now is in sideways movement. So since tumaas Emperador, now nagsa-sideways si Emperador. Now, if we see the incline support, still holding. So we need to watch Emperador kung ma-break itong resistance area. These two lines. Okay? We need to watch. Because if ma-break na yan, so there's a big possibility that he will reach the previous high. But now, we need to monitor Emperador kung ma-break na itong resistance. Two lines on this area. And we need to see also if hindi niya ma-break itong incline support. Kasi kung ma-break yan, so there's a possibility that he will go back to the previous horizontal support below. So we need to wait if the price is in the support area. For now, we need to see if there is a breakout of the horizontal resistance above. And we'll see the MACD. MACD and ADX is weak. So we'll wait. There's no strength for the ADX. But for me, I need to see if there's a breakout of the resistance, two lines, and the incline support ay mag-hold. If the incline support ay hindi mag-hold, then I will go exit. Kasi babalik yan dito sa my previous horizontal support below. So next one is Simirara. If we see Simirara, price action, umangat po siya ng 0.42, 0.48 pesos per share yesterday. But still, he is in the resistant area now. So we need to wait if there's a breakout or there's a possibility that there is a retracement of the price of Simirara Mining Power Corporation. So now we'll see the EDX is below 25, so it's very weak. So the strength is very weak. So for me, I will wait Simirara on this area. If ma-break ni Simirara, so this is a good time for Simirara on this area. So this is the time we need to watch Simirara. But for now, if mag-retrace siya dito sa mga incline support, then you can check if there is a bounce. But take note, this incline support should not be breakdown. Okay? Kailangan di ma-break ni Simirara itong incline support. But if Simirara will go up and break this resistance above, check if there is a possible direction is you will hit this AMA 200. This area. If there is a pullback, this is the time we need to watch again Simirara. So, but for now, he is in the resistant area. And there is a foreign selling of 22.62 million. If there is a retracement to the incline support, this is the time we need to watch also. If we're going back to this area. Thank you for watching. To Aisa Galbi and my sister-in-law, Mercy Akas, my wife, Nina Akas, and Cheryl 8 Mix. Thank you for my nephew. And to my colleague before, Engineer Roberto Cayabiab and Engineer Mateo Stan, Carlo Dampel, thank you, and Engineer Loreto Corpus, thank you very much. Now let's continue. Now I have only 6 remaining. 8 BC. We'll see the price action of PLNBest Development Corporation. Now, PLNBest is hitting this resistance and going back to the support yesterday. So we need to watch if there is a bounce here, and he will cross again the midway. So we need to see the next price action in this area of FDC. Because now MACD is closing down, so there's a weak momentum is weak. Now if you see the ADX going up, so you need to take care of this because the strength is improving, going to up to 25 level, but MACD is closing down, so the momentum is down. So we need to see if there is a bounce here in this support area and crosses above the EMA 20. So this is the time we need to watch if there is a bullish pattern. But if we see here, it is there's a bullish pattern from April. So we need to watch in this area because the area is now becomes smaller, no? Palit ng palit yung area na ito. So we're hoping that the price of FDC will hold in this incline support and horizontal support. So we need to watch in this area. Next one is SSI. Series. If we see SSI is going up, but now yesterday ay nag-down yung price ni SSI. Okay? Uh, I was here on this area and I sell also in this area. And now the price is going down. I put the line here. This is a support, temporary support for SSI. We will see if there's a bounce in this area for SSI. Okay, if there's a bounce, so it's good. If you see the bullish pattern, so we need to see again PCSI price movement. But for now, it's going down by 0.10, 6% yesterday. So we need to watch ECSI in this area. And by the way, thank you for your support, Engineer Eliza John Acas Gloria and Riyadh Sukit Acas Gloria. Eli Espiritu, thank you. Engineer Eric Lamontad, thank you. And Engineer Peter Bergoni, thank you very much. So, we'll see price movement of BCSI in this incline support. MACD now is taper down, so there's a sign of weakening. So if the momentum is closing weakening, so it means there are a lot of people taking their profit. No? So we need to watch BCSI on this incline support. Next one is SSP. I have only 3 remaining. SSP, SAP Semicon Philippines. So still he is holding in the incline support and he is now in EME 20. We'll see if there's a bounce in this area. But now MACD is closing down, the momentum is down. But ADX is above 36. RSI is above 50. So we will watch SSP if there's a bounce in this incline support. But if ma-break itong incline support, then you need to exit. Because malalim po yan. No? So we need to watch next price action of SSP kung mag-hold sa incline support. So we need to see always in the support area. Thank you, Melissa Recipe. Thank you very much for watching. To Engineer Edwin Vergara and my nephew Myra Abulag Makarilay, Engineer Victor Miguel, and Dave Maipa, no? And to Engineer Jonel Gaudi. Thank you for your support. And Coach Barquez, thank you. Now let's going to the next VITA. Corporation. He's up by 2.27% yesterday. And now if you see the MACD is very strong, no? And index above 25, the strength, and it's still not yet overbought. So if you see VITA price action, nandito na siya sa may bullish area, no? So nandiyan na siya, no? So, nasa bullish area na si VITA. So we need to watch the next price action of VITA. Okay? Tingnan natin yung next price action ni VITA. If we draw an inclined support, this is the inclined support we need to watch for VITA. Okay? But if VITA ay ma-break na itong resistant above, so we need to wait if there is a retracement. But for now, nandito na po siya sa may bullish area si VITA. So we need if there is a retracement. If this pattern is itong inclined support ay hindi ma-breakdown, so we need to watch this area. It's VITA. Because nasa bullish area na po si VITA. But my bias here, we need to watch the incline support always. Kung ma-break yung incline support, then you will go exit. But if ever VITA ay ma-break itong resistance, then we need to wait for another retracement. No? Huwag nyo habulin yung presyo pag na mataas. Kasi if the price is going up, then there's a tendency that it will go going back to support area. So may iwanan po kayo diyan sa taas. So we need to watch every time the price hitting the support area. So for me, I will see in this area what is the price action of VITA, and this inclined support I still ma-hold the VITA. So next one is RLC. So thank you for watching my nephew Kyle Akas, no? And to my sister-in-law Mercy Akas, to my wife Nina Akas, thank you, and to my nephew Demnar Akas and Dabjin Akas. To my sister-in-law so Ana Belisaka in Beirut. And to Marnis Buniel and Engineer Cas Richard Loron. So let's go to the Robinson's Land Corporation. Kung tingnan natin si Robinson's Land ay kahapon na umangat siya ng 0.28 pesos per share, 1.7%, no? So nasa resistant area po si RLC. So we need to watch the next price action of RLC. We'll draw an inclined support. So we need the RLC hindi lumabas dito sa may area na ito, no? So we need to see the next price action of RLC. This is the one we discussed last time, that there is a retracement of RLC and now there's a bounce. Nagba-bounce po dito sa may incline support. So now he is in the resistance area. We need to see if there is a retracement on this incline support. Okay, if he will go and break this resistance, we need to wait for another retracement. Okay, so yun lang po yung titingnan natin ni RLC. If we see MACD is crossing the signal line, but the EDX is still below 25. So there's no enough strength, but we will watch if we will replace on the support area. If there's a breakout, it's good. And there we will see in the resist area, this support area, because the resistance area will become support. So next price action of RIC, we need to see if there is a retracement in this incline support. The last one is RCI. We will see the okay. This is the last stock we need to see. If you see here, this area for RCI. Thank you, Chris Venture and Melissa Recipes. Thank you. Uh, this is the resistant area of RCI, and now it's creating a triangular pattern. Now we need to watch RCI on this area. Okay, we need to see if there is a bounce on this inclined support, but we can draw an temporary inclined support for RCI. So if ever this support will break down, then we will watch the next incline support. So dito natin naabangan si RCI kung mag-bounce ulit dito sa may support area. Kasi is trying to is closing last Thursday above the Bollinger Band, but yesterday the closing price is going inside the Bollinger Band. So take note, if the price is going inside, closing inside the Bollinger Band, the momentum is losing, and there's a possibility that the price will going to retrace in a EMA 20 or in the nearest support area. So I'm very thankful also to my one of the mentor in the stock market who is teaching us about the Bollinger Band, Louis Basar. Thank you very much for you. So I hope that you learned something about this. This is the last talk we're discussing. So to the viewers, thank you very much. I will shout out all viewers today. Barbie Blanks 1218, thank you. Top Video Studio, Lon Salabi, Mel Fernando, and my sister-in-law, Mercy Akas, thank you. Thank you for all your support. And to my nephew, Kyle Akas, thank you very much. And to my nephew also, Karen Faye Akas. To Cheryl 8 Mixed Pages, thank you. And Smiley Tia, thank you very much. And Alisa Kate, thank you. For all your support. To MHA Delhen, thank you. Nelba Rupino, thank you very much. Teresa Venture, Melissa Recipes, thank you. And Engineer Edwin Bilan, thank you very much. To my beloved wife, Nina Akas, thank you. To Isa Galbi, thank you very much for the support. And to all the to all my friends up there, all my subscribers, thank you. And to Idol Tribune Ferns, thank you very much for your support. So to all the team Neo, thank you very much. Uh, I hope we learned something about this discussion. If you have some comments about how to trade in the stock market, just put your comments below, and we will discuss. And I will teach you. Okay, and this is only a pre-learnings, and you can knows about this one. In the next future, we need to invest in the stock market because we need to beat the inflation rate. No? So maybe 10 years from now, the inflation rate will become high. So we need to invest our money, but we need to make sure we invest in the correct uh, direction. And the stock market, we need to study this technical analysis because this is the one we need to predict if the price is going down or going up. If the price have a possibility is going up, then we need to buy the shares and we sell it in the high price because the stock market buy low, sell high, or you buy high, sell higher. Hindi yung buy high, then sell low. So lulugi po tayo dyan. Okay. So that's why this is the discussion we have review to master the correct entry in the buying of shares. No? Okay. If the price is in the support area, it means the buyer is waiting on that area. So that is the area where the price is discounted. So it's already in the low price because the buyer he want to see the price in a lower price. So that's why they're waiting in the support area. And they will sell it in the resistance area. So the resistance area, the seller is there waiting on that area. So that's why we need to watch if the price is reaching the resistance area. We need to watch if there is a retracement because if it will go retrace, then our profit will be lost also. So, kasi pag resistance area, nandiyan po yung mga buyer, ng mga seller nag-aantay. So, they buy it na low price and sell it in that area. So, that's why the price will not go up. Hindi makapag-penetrate pataas. Dahil yung mga seller, nag-distribute, nagbenta na sa kanilang mga share. So, the tendency, the price will going back to the support area. So, that's why we need to buy in the support area and sell it in the resistance area. But if the resistance area ay ma-break up, aggressive yung buyer, there's a possibility that price will going up. Kahit mahal na, bibilhin pa rin ng buyer. Especially if there is a good news of the company. So, kung may good news na darating, so of course, the buyer is eager to buy the shares. Kasi tataas po yung presyo. And then, if they will hit in the resistance area again, then they will take some of their profit. We will put in our pocket or profit first. Okay, thank you very much to Gisabel Montenegro also for watching. And to all of you, my supporters, thank you very much. And that's it for today. God bless us always.